Is 2021 the end of the Netflix era? Let's talk about it. Yo, how's it going, guys? It's the first video of 2021. I hope you all have some goals that you all are working towards this year. But anyways, let's get into today's video. Today, we're going to be talking about Netflix and why it may not keep its high throne after this year. The first part, we'll be talking about the recent changes within the company that will greatly affect Netflix. And then the second part, we'll be talking about the advantages that Netflix's competitors have. But before we move on, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, start off your 2021 strong and go hit that subscribe button. Also, if you haven't joined the Discord team yet, the link to that will be the first link in the description. Alright, moving on to our first section, we're going to be talking about the recent price changes to Netflix's subscription prices and how it will affect the company. If you haven't seen, Netflix's basic plan will remain at $9 per month. Its most popular plan will move up to $14 per month, and then its premium plan will move up to $18 per month. For the most popular plan, that is a $1 increase and a $2 increase on the premium plan. When anyone looks at this, users wonder, is it really worth it to pay an increased price? With this in thought, many people will leave the platform for a different platform that can perform at the same level or a greater level at a cheaper price. Taking a previous question, I quote, is it really worth paying an increased price? To our second half of this conversation, and that is looking at what our competitors have that Netflix does not have or differentiates itself. Well, if we're looking at the mass majority of shows and movies, well, streaming services like Amazon Prime, Hulu, HBO Max have most of the movies or shows on their platforms. Now, for the audience that watches a wide variety of shows, they'll find no reason to stay with Netflix and will either have a subscription with Netflix in another platform or completely move to another platform. But for other users that watch the differentiating factor that Netflix has, which is the Netflix special deals or the Netflix made shows and movies, those customers will stay. But you may be asking me, why does that matter? Yes, Netflix is losing some users, but it is still retaining a pretty strong crowd. Well, here's the main thing. As producers and companies want to create higher profit and get their shows to a wider audience, once their special deals are done, or if they don't have one, they'll try to reach out to more streaming services and vice versa. This making the shows and movies not a for say Netflix premium, which then takes another incentive away to stay. Well, for that other half of the users, if that Netflix premium show is no more and there are multiple services for a cheaper price, which then takes the incentive away for those other half of consumers that want to stay for those Netflix premiums if multiple services have that at a cheaper price. So concluding this, Netflix has an ultimatum to make. Once COVID and the majority of at-home school or work ends by the end of the year, as more users won't be watching as much, should they either bring the prices down a bit to have a wider audience of users, or keep the price high and keep raising them and risk the future of their company? Thanks for watching. If you guys enjoyed the video, please hit that like button, and if you haven't hit that subscribe button, please hit that subscribe button. Again, the Discord trading team will be the first link down in the description. Otherwise, I hope you all have a great start to your 2021, make this year productive, and have a great rest of your day. Peace.